Beginning of 2017, Romantic Seehotel Jägerwert, a 111-year-old four-star hotel in Austria, had their staff ready to begin the busy winter season in the Alps. Then, every computer in the hotel suddenly shut down. Anxious guests began to fill the lobby as the hotel's reservation system was completely offline. Fully booked and with no way to check in their guests, the hotel was in panic mode. Then, the manager saw in their email inbox a message demanding 1,500 euros to get their system back online. They were at the mercy of ransomware hackers. And just as many other companies in this situation have done, they paid the hackers the ransom because the cost of fighting was just too great. This hotel isn't in the minority either. According to IBM, 70% of executive-level ransomware victims have paid to have their hostage computers set free. So let's talk briefly about how this happens and then discuss some ways that you can prevent ransomware attacks from happening in your own company. Ransomware is software that will hold a user's files hostage, requiring them to pay large sums of money to get those files released. Ransomware is covertly installed on your device, usually through a file downloaded from an email or the internet. And depending on how sophisticated the ransomware is, it might encrypt files, making it impossible for you to read them or lock the entire hard drive. This method has been so effective that criminals made close to $1 billion in 2016 alone. So, how can we protect ourselves? Number one, be aware. Criminals use tactics to entice you to click on their email messages, so don't let curiosity lead you to opening something that you shouldn't. Always look carefully before opening attachments and clicking links, especially from unknown senders. And a couple of specific tips on this point. Show your files extensions in File Explorer. This will make it easier to identify links and files that might be malicious. And keep macros disabled. Your Office apps, for example, disable macros by default. But you should never enable a macro that you do not know, as criminals will often hide malicious software there. Number two, make a backup. Store key files and resources in more than one location, storing files in the cloud, for example, as well as on your PC. Maintain and update your stored backup files regularly and verify your backups are secure and can't be compromised with an attack. Number three, stay updated. And this is simple, but you need to remember to update often. This includes applications as well as your device's operating system. Number four, disconnect. Ransomware can spread quickly to connected devices, so if you notice something strange is happening, you should immediately disconnect from the internet and your company's network.